Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Araceli, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be making some DIY ornaments for my Christmas tree. So if you're interested in this video, please keep watching. So the first thing I did was take some of the ornaments outside and I spray paint them, and for that I used a skewer and I just put the little ornaments on top, and this made it so much more easier to paint every angle of the ornament. And while those dried, I worked on this clear ornament, and I also used this gold berries from the Dollar Tree, and all I did was I cut them all off, and then I just started taking them apart. And make sure that when you take them apart, leave them small enough to fit inside the little ornament. So once you're done with that, you're gonna have some little clusters that look like this. And all I did was I just started putting them inside. You can fill the whole ornament. I didn't, but that is a personal preference. Honestly, I think that if I would have filled it all, it would have looked much better. Anyways, then I used this gold ribbon, and honestly, I thought my camera was recording. It wasn't recording. I put it all around the little top of the ornament, and then I just made a little bow, and I just hot glued it into the ornament. And then I got some of the little clusters and I glued it to the middle of the bow to make it look a little bit more nicer. And this is the final result. I really love this ornament. It's beautiful. I think this is my favorite ornament out of all the ones I made. Okay, so moving on to the next. All I'm doing here is I'm mixing a whole bunch of glitters that I had on hand. And then here I'm just adding some glue, Mod Podge to be specific, and I'm just like going around the snowball. I'm not gonna put glue all the way down. I'm just gonna leave it like halfway because I want like an ombre effect. And I just started adding the glitter, and I'm sorry about the angle. I didn't realize that the camera was so close, but anyway, this is the final result of this one. I think it came out really pretty. Okay, so moving on to the next one, I used this rhinestone paper from the Dollar Tree and I cut it in strips. This snowball already had a pattern. So I just follow that same pattern. So every 2 or 3 little lines I would do the rhinestone. This rhinestone paper already has glue, so I made this one and another one, and this was the final result of both of them. This one was fairly easy too. As you can see, this snowball has a pattern, and I'm just following that pattern with some Mod Podge or any kind of glue that you have. And all I'm gonna do is the same thing I did with the other one, just add the glitter in that same pattern that we added the Mod Podge. And this is the final result, and I'm telling you, the camera does no justice. These snowballs look so sparkly in person. Okay, so in this next one, I went back to the gold ribbon and I'm just going around the ball once, and then I'm gonna do another stripe, as you're gonna see right now. I'm just gonna add a bow that I made with the same ribbon. And I'm adding these bells with some hot glue to the center of the bow. And this is the final result. I really think that the bells gave her that extra wow factor. For the next ornament, I'm using this gold rhinestones that they have at Walmart for 97 cents, and I'm just adding them to the snowball, and I'm just following this pattern of large, medium, and small. I'm doing the 4 points across, and then I'm going in between and going a little bit lower, so it kind of looks like longer than the other one. So it's like a short one, a longer one, a short one, a longer one, and that's the pattern that I followed. And this is the final result. Okay, so we're down to the last one, and this one was extremely easy. All I did was added a gold bow with that same ribbon we used earlier, and at the end of the bow, at the end of the little ribbon, I added some of those bells that we also used earlier, and I made 2 of these. The only difference is that in one I used the bells at the end of the ribbon, and in the other one I used them in the middle of the ribbon. And here's the 2 of them together. So here's all the ornaments together. Please don't forget to comment which one was your favorite. And I really hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see when I'm uploading again. See you on the next one. Bye.